What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video by your ultimate fave. If you are new here today, I know you looking at this wig. I know you have something to say about my hair. I know you jealous. I know you envious. Hashtag jealous. Hashtag envious. Hashtag what wig. Hashtag it grew out of my head. Yes, I'm fully aware that you guys are probably wondering where I got this wig. If you're new here today, make sure to click that subscribe button. For all my returning subscribers, welcome back to another hair review and install. If you guys loved the last Wiggins video that I did, then you guys are about to be gobsmacked because this current hair, I think, is my new, it's my new addiction. Like, this curly hair is my new addiction. And you know what the crazy part is? When I actually got this wig, I was so nervous because of the curl type. You can see that it's a very tight curl, almost Jerry-like type curl. So I was wondering that with curls like that, do they frizz easily? But baby, when I tell you that this feels so light, I don't even know if you guys would do you even notice that it's a wig, or can you tell that it's my hair? Honestly, you guys, I am so blown away with the quality of Wiggins hair that I don't even know what to say at this point. It's gonna sound like I'm ripping them a bit too much. It sounds like I'm going too hard. That's because every single time I do an install with their wigs, I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. I don't even want to look at you guys. But anyway, guys, so Wiggins Hair sent me this 24-inch deep curl. I think it's called the deep curl. Hold on, let me double check. So yeah, as far as I'm concerned, this is the 24-inch deep wave curl. And as you can see, this is giving very tight curl. It's giving very Caribbean. It's giving very, you know when you get that curl that you know that even in the water, like when the water's so blue, it's giving that tight, soft curl. And even just the quality of the hair is so soft. So they sent me the 24-inch deep wave curl. It is a frontal, it is a HD lace, and it is 250% density. I was so amped when I got this wig because I was just I wasn't sure when I saw it on the website. I was like, guys, come on. I am not the best when it comes to maintaining curly wigs, because I always have a hard time just making sure that they stay in place and they stay soft and they keep their texture. I am not the best when it comes to the maintenance of curly wigs, but they definitely told me you are gonna love the quality, and they were not wrong, guys. I don't know, man. I don't know. Look at this hair. Look at this hair and tell me that I'm wrong. You can just see off the cuff that it is so soft, it is so full, but the beautiful thing about it is the wig is so light, you would never even assume that there's that much hair. That's how I know that the quality of the curl is so good, because it's not heavy, it's not weighing down on my head. It literally feels like having a normal wig on. Or it actually feels like my hair, if I'm being 110% correct. So you guys, I'm really excited to show you guys how I install this hair. If you guys want to see exactly what I did to make the hair look this beautiful and this cute, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so I am here to obviously review this Wiggins curly unit. So this is the 24-inch curly wig, or it's a curly frontal. And to say I'm excited is an understatement, because you guys know from the last review that I did for Wiggins hair, that has literally been my go-to wig. I wear it every day. The only part where I can't wear it is the gym, because it'll probably lift from all the sweat, but I wear that wig all the time. Okay, so this one, I have a feeling it's probably gonna blow my mind, but we could be wrong. We don't even know what's going on. We really don't be knowing what's going on. But anyway, so they gave me an orange bag today, and guys, I just love me a new wig. Don't you love me a new wig? Don't you love you a new wig? As you guys can see, the 24-inch is absolutely long. It's crazy long. So we've got the unit inside the bag, and then we have another pair of 3D eyelashes. Remember the first review that they did, they gave me eyelashes. These are the eyelashes. I've been wearing them for about months now, because wait, how long ago did I release that video? Since I released that video, these are the only lashes I've been wearing, and today they sent me these ones. I don't know if I particularly like these ones. They look a little bit light. I wish they had sent me the same design as the last ones that they sent me, because they have a little bit more volume. And then they also gave me a nice scrunchie. Now I've got two scrunchies. They also gave me a kind of tooth comb and like brush to obviously do my frontal, and they gave me 2 HD caps. So yeah guys, now it's time to actually review. Oh wait, seems like I forgot something in here. Oh, they also gave me another one of the iconic Wiggins headbands. Guys, let's open this unit. Now this unit has been here for a couple of days and I've been so tempted to open it and play with it, but I told myself that the only time I'm gonna open it is when I actually do the review for you guys. So are you ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. Okay? Guys, you can already just see it through the net that this is actually gonna blow me away. Wiggins doll, when I get my hands on you. The softness, guys. I don't know what it is about Wiggins, but all their hair is just extremely soft. And I kid you not, because my best friend also tried the wig that I reviewed previously, and she was saying the exact same thing. So this is what it looks like. I love the fact that it's already pre-plucked. It's already pre-plucked and it's kind of bleached. They bleached the knots for you and they've already kind of done a little cute part for me. I love the fact that it's also got, you know, the bands in here, the adjustable bands. I did order this wig in a size small, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was quite nervous about going for this curl pattern because this is the kind of curl pattern that's quite similar to my shorter unit, and I know that obviously sometimes the curls can tend to be frizzy and all that other riffraff, but this one actually feels so soft. I don't even know why. I kind of knew that they were gonna give me some great curls, but these are actually just blowing my mind. I can't wait to put this on. Like, guys, I can't stay in the house now that I've got this on. I can't stay in the house. I'm gonna have to go to the streets. The people are gonna need to see me, okay? Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do, right? Let's try it on and see how it sits. I'm actually just gonna adjust the cap right now because I know my head is the smallest thing on this earth. So I adjust all the caps and then we are just gonna put it on and see. And then I think I'm actually just gonna tint the lace just a little bit. Just a little bit because I've already got makeup on. So we would like the lace to kind of, you know, look the exact same as my hair. Okay, don't be looking at my ugly wig lines, okay? Like, I know we've seen better days, but guys. Oh, you know what? I'm really in my Beyonce era. Like, I'm really in my Beyonce era. This hair is so soft. And you know what I like about it? Everything kind of looks even. Look at that. So you can kind of see that the hair is level. It's almost given like double drawn. It's given the illusion of a double drawn wig because normally double drawn are like the same length. But look at this. I know. I look so beautiful. I look so beautiful. All right, so I'm done rambling. It is now time to put on this wig. So guys, let's review and install this wig. it, guys. That is how I install this 24-inch kind of like deep curl wig. Let me just say this. I am gonna say without a shadow of doubt that this is probably the best deep curl wig I've ever owned. Look at the curls. Look at the curl type. It's almost giving Jerry curl, but it's just so soft. It's so soft. Like, I don't even think I've ever owned a wig that was this curly and this soft and this long. This is like the perfect combination for like going on a tropical vacation, you know, kind of going out to, you know, the beach and stuff. You can tell that these curls would be able to withstand all that humid air because they're so soft and they're so curly. I mean, look at this, guys. I'm literally running my hair through it like it's nothing. The only reason I'm not running it through it a lot is because I've put in a little bit of mousse, and I just want to show you how defined it becomes once you've put the mousse on. Guys, like, don't be scared. It's not Beyonce, it's just me. Like, guys, look at that. Look at that. Ah! My God. My God. You know what? I didn't even want to do any hairstyles to it before I showed you exactly what it looks like in its most organic form. The only thing I will say is that if you're going to install this, I would suggest you install it before you do your makeup, because the only thing that I experienced is that because this lace is so high definition, you can literally see whatever you put underneath. Obviously, because I've been installing for quite some time now, I figured a way to kind of make it melt. But look at the melt. Just look at that melt. That melt is insane. Like, you can't tell me that I'm not Beyonce. You cannot tell me that I'm not Beyonce. I am Beyonce. And I don't care what your parents told you. I don't care. Like, guys, somebody call the Hawks to help me locate this frontal, because this is growing out of my hair. Like, this is growing out of my head. Like, honestly, this is who I really am. I would say do your makeup after you install it so that it really sinks into your head. But because it's such a brilliant lace, even when you have done your makeup, like, it literally just melts. Like, I don't know. Who's calling me? I can't answer because I'm so beautiful. I'm gonna say it with my chest, and you guys can quote me on this. Wiggins is the best online store for hair. Like, I can say it with my chest. I trust them. Like, you guys know me. My trust, like, I'm a Scorpio. Like, the trust has to be developed. But I can tell you without a shadow of doubt that the online store where I've bought the best hair is Wiggins. It's actually Wiggins. Like, can they put me on, like, their, like, website? Like, I want them to even put me on their website with this hair. I want them to even put me on their website with this hair. I want to show you guys how it sits. So it sits right just beneath like my bust area, and I think I love, it's the perfect length. Like, sometimes with hair like this, because it looks so curly, you would think it's heavy. It is so light and so soft that I'm glad that they didn't give me a longer wig, because then I would have had a tough time just maintaining it in general. But this is so soft, I can barely feel that there's a wig on my head. And mind you, this is 250% density. So this is about maybe 4 bundles, if not 4.5 of hair. And it doesn't even feel heavy. I think that for me is what's blowing me away, guys. I don't know, what do you guys think? This is my second review I've done for Wiggins, and I've been so happy with each and every single purchase that I've had on the store that I am genuinely tempted to tell them to make me their ambassador. Comment down below, guys. Let me know what you thought of the hair. I will leave all the descriptions and all the links where you can find this exact unit. I will leave it down below in the description box. But comment down below and let me know what you think of this install. But until then, your ultimate fave will be seeing you on the next review for Wiggins Hair, which will be happening very soon, if I do say so myself. Ooh.